Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Data Analytics with Divya. In this video, I'm going to explain about data types in SQL. Generally, in databases, data is stored in the form of tables, and each table is made up of rows and columns. As you can see here, this is how tables look like. Vertical sections are called as columns, and horizontal lines are called as rows. That is, in this table, there are five columns: employee number, name, age, department, and salary. And data inside it is stored in rows. And while creating columns, we need to define data type for each column. For example, in this employee table, employee number column, if you want to enter employee number as 1, 2, 3 like that, then you will give data type as integer. Integer in the sense numbers. Whenever you define data type as integers, then SQL will accept only numerical data in that column. Instead of numbers, if you give some names in employee number column, it throws an error. So that is the importance of data types. Here, I want to take a moment and want to remember you about our previous video. That is, in why SQL and why not Excel video. When we are talking about limitations of Excel, we have already discussed that in Excel, we will face data consistency, right? That is, we can enter any type of data in Excel wherever we want. It won't throw any error. Like in numerical column, if we write names also, it will accept. And that is one of the major drawback of Excel. And I said we will overcome that in SQL, right? So in SQL, this problem is solved by using data types only. That is, the data type is a guideline for SQL to understand what type of data is expected inside of each column. As I said, while creating column itself, we will define data type along with the size. So according to that, data type and size only, we will enter data. Otherwise, it will throw an error. Now, let's see the definition of data type. Data type of a column defines what value the column can store in a table. There are many types of data types, but mainly data types are divided into four types. As you can see here, numeric data type, which holds numeric values or numbers. Numeric data type are of two types: int and float. Int is used for integer values like 1, 2, 3 like that, and float is used to store decimal numbers like 1.2, 2.4 like that. And next is character or string data type. And they are of two types, char and varchar. These are used to store any character data. Char is used to store fixed length data, and in varchar, we can store data of variable length. What is fixed length and variable length? I will discuss detailedly in my next video. And the next data type is date and time data type. This date and time data type is used to store date and time formats. Date data type will store date format as you can see here, YYYY, MM, and DD. And in date time data type, we will store data as well as time in this format. That is YYYY, MM, DD, and hours, minutes, and seconds kind of thing. Next is Boolean data types, which is used to store true or false. And then binary and miscellaneous. Binary in the sense we can store images in it. Any kind of images we can store by using binary data type. And there are many more miscellaneous data types in SQL. That's it for today's video. And if you're new to my channel, please do like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you.